Auciello Iron Works goes back to World War II, really. My grandfather was a blacksmith in Italy, came over here, started working, went off on his own around that time. Well, actually pre-World War II, 1932, the company was founded in Brighton, Massachusetts, and basically they did residential railings, kind of, the railings you see on front stairs all over the place, really. Ornamental work, forge work. And then over time, as my dad and uncles came into the business, it moved more towards a public work. So instead of the residential railings, now we make more bridge railings, the crash rails you see, any kind of railing, pedestrian railing, ornamental railing that you see around cities, towns, that kind of thing. That's our main work. We do bridge work, but that's still the bulk of our work is railings. We're looking at the Ocean Avenger Plus, which is what this machine is built to compete with. And we were going down that road. We needed something that basically does what this machine, holes, slots, and all shapes over a long distance. And that was going to be the machine for us. And then you guys just sort of came into the market as we were getting closer to really deciding what was best for us. And your price obviously made a big difference. And obviously price in the end is really what matters, but Northeast Machinery was aggressive, you guys were aggressive, you really wanted to help us out and you guys out in terms of getting this product going. So we couldn't say no to the FlexBEAM in the end.
Well, I was getting a lot of help from my coworkers and from Aaron from Flex, and from my boss too. He really was helping me get through the whole process of getting to know the machine. I like the vertical drilling, how it just lets the chips fall down right into the machine, like not really any worries about that. I'd say my favorite part would be just letting it do its own thing, just hitting the start button, and then for us to just do other things like grinding, deburring it, rather than having to do the layout, the drilling ourselves. That's what I think is what my favorite part is, just letting it do its own thing.
Before the FlexBEAM, to push the work out, with the FlexBEAM, it can take us like 1 hour the whole way, doing the layout by hand, punch mark, use the mag drill or the core drill. It would take us maybe 5 hours, so we cut our times. Easy to use, and it's fast, and it's basically it's a good looking machine.